Its majestic views draw over 6 million visitors a year. The Grand Canyon, carved by the mighty Colorado River, is simply awe-inspiring. Now imagine the chance to live, work, and explore here. It's yours. Working at the south rim of the Grand Canyon will enrich your life in every way. At Zanterra, we are a welcoming community who work hard, share a passion for the environment, and enjoy creating memorable experiences for our guests in some of the most beautiful places on Earth. Employees come from across the country and around the world. Being a part of the team here may be your once-in-a-lifetime chance to meet people of different cultures, backgrounds, and ages, forge lasting friendships, and make memories that will last a lifetime. We value diversity, and we value the planet too. In fact, we have a green team of employees who work on sustainability and environmental initiatives. Recycling and composting are second nature to us, and 3 of our eateries have earned the distinction of Certified Green Restaurant by the Green Restaurant Association. We harness the power of the sun, get around in hybrid vehicles, and protect the night sky from light pollution. We're a proud member of the International Dark Sky Association, and the constellations are stellar. You'll experience community living in the Grand Canyon National Park lodges, where you'll bond with others who share your interests and values. Dormitory-style housing for you and your roommate is available at a nominal cost and includes free satellite hookups. There's an employee cafeteria that serves a variety of meals, including vegetarian options, and offers pay-as-you-go a la carte options, though not all dietary needs, such as vegan, can be accommodated. Free Wi-Fi is available at the Employee Recreation Center, and cell reception varies throughout the park. Also at the Community Recreation Center, you'll have access to a fitness center, computer lab, evening classes, team sports, and a variety of clubs to choose from. Since the South Rim sits at an elevation of 7,000 feet, you can expect cool nights in summer and snow in winter. Thin air at higher elevations can cause respiratory symptoms to those with sensitivities. In Grand Canyon Village, you'll find just about everything you need, including a grocery store, post office, medical clinic, ATM, library, and church services. It's a big, busy place, so you're sure to find a role that's right for you. We offer positions ranging from front desk associate to Mule Wrangler and everything in between, including roles in food and beverage, retail, and rooms and lodging. And our engineering and maintenance teams keep everything in tip-top shape. And when you're off the clock, choose your own adventure. You're living at the Grand Canyon, so you have over 700 miles of hiking trails to discover. Then there's biking, camping, wildlife watching, photography, mule rides, and train tours. Williams, home of the Grand Canyon Railway and Hotel, is a scenic mountain town approximately 60 miles away. The city of Flagstaff is a hub of activity, with an historic downtown that offers coffee shops, restaurants, shopping, and grocery options. Flagstaff is approximately 90 miles away, and the nearest metropolitan city is Phoenix, which is approximately 230 miles from the Grand Canyon. Due to the distance to metro areas, we recommend bringing a vehicle. We offer limited parking around the housing facilities. A shuttle service is also available from the South Rim to Flagstaff and Phoenix. This is it. This is your chance to live, work, and explore at one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Check out available positions at xanterrajobs.com.